On this episode of Tool Review Thursday, another strange package showed up at the Abby Normal Homestead. What do you think it is, Abby? We're going to have to open it up and find out. Well, we got another strange box to crack open. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay. Whoa! Peanuts! What we got here? Careful, these things are bad. Oh. Look at this! Another cutoff wheel! Wow! Does it come with the... Yeah. Let's go ahead and get these peanuts away from me before I make a mess. What do we have here? Oh, look at that. This is a Chief Professional 4-inch extended cutoff tool. Model number 64278. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Let's go ahead and put an air chuck on it and see what we think. The uses of this thing are immense. Like anytime you got to reach under something and cut and stuff like that. We probably won't end up using it in every episode of Abby Normal Garage. But there's always that one time that you need that tool. We had been looking at this tool for over a year in the stores, and we'd always shied away from buying one because, you know, they were $130 to $150 depending. And, you know, we don't think this is going to be a daily use tool. Honestly, this is one of those things that when you need it, you need it. And 9 times out of 10, you won't have it type things. But we saw this one for under $100, so we decided we had to have it. So, of course, being an open box, we don't have the wrench to undo that, but we have a whole toolbox full of tools. So let me go get an Allen wrench. Harbor Freight sells a cheaper version in their Central Pneumatic line, but it's a 3-inch. And like I said in another video, I'm not a fan of 3-inch tools. So just paying attention here, you got a button here that you press, this button here that you press, and I think that locks. Yep, okay. So that locks that and enables you to take the screw out. Okay. We got an arbor here. Oh, okay. This washer comes off and goes on the tool, and then that part. Okay, I was sitting there wondering, like, and then that goes on like that. You know, I've never really cruised eBay trying to find discounts on pneumatic tools, but I found some pretty good deals lately, so if you're into tools and you know kind of things you might want, don't hesitate to look on eBay. Ooh. Alright. Well, that sucker's tight. Let's go ahead and give it a couple drops of oil for its first run. And give it a rip. Well, the gearbox is pretty quiet on this, which is surprising for a Harbor Freight. Okay. I wonder if you can twist and turn its orientation by loosening up these. You probably could. We're going to have to download the manual online and see. But yeah, this is pretty nice. I don't know if it's going to be a daily use tool, but we went ahead and unplugged it to check out this adjustable guard. Oh, look, that's cool. Well, I think this is going to be a pretty good tool to have around. Like I said, I don't think it's going to be a daily use tool, but you never know. Well, anyway, don't hesitate to get one if you think you can use it. It's pretty well built, feels to be solid, runs smooth. We're going to enjoy it. What do you think, Abby? Do you like it as much as I do? Don't break the disc, whatever you do. I don't know. You like it? Well, we got a tail wag. Well, if you guys like this video as much as we do, go ahead and like the video. Share it with your friends who might be interested in this type of tool. And subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And we'll see you on the next episode of Abby Normal Garage.